Hey everybody, and welcome to Nice Jerseys. I want those. Welcome to Ultimate Team, where the only chance of me winning is if I play a really crappy team. Well, thanks for watching. No, I'm kidding. I'm confident that I can win this match.
You're gonna get your ass kicked.
What?
You're going to lose, motherfucker.
Dear God! Clearly, my opponent's not gonna go easy on me, as he gets the first shot on target of the match. But I show him I'm not fooling around as I unleash. Nope, that's not my joke. But he does juke the shit out of one player. Takes a beautiful shot on goal, but the goalie saves it somehow. But now it's corner time, baby. I whip it into the middle, and it gets played straight up. Gets played out. Gabby! Yeah. Sorry, Gabby. You ain't getting shit on that one. But now Doumbia has all the space he wants, passes it to Gabby. Gabby. Damn it, Gabby. Now Drogba takes a nice touch, dekes the defender, passes it to Gabby. Damn it, Gabby. Wait, what? Gabby! My favorite player! What? I always rely on him. What are you talking about? But Gabby could learn a thing from Drogba as it gets past two players without using tricks. Chips it to Pedro. Pedro chips over the keeper and scores. A nice goal. With the dive into the net like a fish celebration. Get out of the way, man. I want to see the fish celebration. Fuck you. Oh, sorry. Doumbia showing off his elite skill while he gets past the defender. That looked retarded. But Doumbia gets the ball again. Nice skill. Two defenders. That was definitely retarded. After that, my opponent quit the match, and I got the win. Yeah! Next game. Opponent has a good team. Damn it. We got ourselves a game. I'm feeling it. I'm making good passes, good runs. Sees him open, crosses him, nice pass. So much teamwork. Gets saved and cleared. My opponent gets a good chance, and the ball goes right to his feet. But luckily, he was called offsides just barely. Woofta. What? How did you block both of those? And of course, my goalie doesn't block his. But then I get another chance, and Gabby! God damn it, Gabby! Now shit's getting serious. Pedro gets past one, gets past two, step over, gets past three, gets past four, and runs right at the goalie and gets blocked. Then my opponent hits a crossbar, header, goalie blocks it, and then I get a shot on the goal! Drogba scores and shakes it. Now my opponent is furious that I tied it up, and he tries as hard as he can. He whips it in. And he scores. Juan Mata. What the what was that? What just happened? Well, anyway, I lost 1-2. And that's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time.